Hi, gorgeous.
Hi, Carla. I'm so happy to be here with you. Hello.
Hi, I'm Carla Cassandra, and this is what I've learned from brand founders. So I'm the content creator here at Sephora, and within the pandemic, we wanted to give you content that you could watch at home while we were on lockdown. So we started a live show called Beauty Chat Room that they asked me to host. It's given me the opportunity to interview so many brand founders, and a lot of them are celebrities. And it's given me an opportunity to learn so much from them, and so I want to share it with you. Okay, so to start, I think I can call her my best friend at this point.
Today we have a very special guest that means no intro, but I'm gonna let her give an intro anyway.
It's me?
That's you. Welcome.
Yes. I am Selena Gomez.
Founder of Rare Beauty. So the reason why she named her brand Rare is because she really wanted her fans and her people to really celebrate their unique beauty. And she also wanted to create a brand that was accessible to everybody, whether you were a beauty junkie or whether you were someone that wanted to keep it really simple. And something I really love about Selena's personality is she's just so warm. And I think a lot of her names of her products reflect that. So this right here is Always an Optimist setting spray. This I love. I love any kind of setting spray or anything I can prep my makeup with. And I love this so much, especially during the hotter moments. And I live in Los Angeles now, and I feel like it's always hot here. So you can stick this in the fridge and give yourself a nice little pick-me-up during the day because everyone loves a missed opportunity. Another brand founder that I've interviewed a few times is Vicki Tsai of Tatcha. Thank you, Vicki, so much for coming on and joining us.
Thank you for having me. There's nowhere else I'd rather be right now.
What I really love is she makes her skincare more of a gratitude ritual. And so when she's taking off her makeup at the end of the day or whatever's on her skin, it's like taking off negativity. And when she's putting on all her skincare products like the water cream, she's really putting on gratitude and just being so grateful for whatever is in her life at that moment. So I've taken that with me in kind of my everyday, and it really does help you to just have a lot of zen in your life. The next founder is Mario Dedivanovic, aka Makeup by Mario, who is a celebrity makeup artist. There he is. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
Hey everyone. Hi Carla.
Yeah.
I'm so excited to be doing this live with you. You look so beautiful, by the way.
Thank you. I had to bring it for you. He has these soft sculpt contouring sticks, which are amazing. It's a cream contour. I'm the type of person who would put this on and put it everywhere. But what he said to do is when you apply it and you blend it out with the brush that's on the other end, whatever is left on the excess of the brush, use that on your chin, your nose, and all the places you don't want super heavy product. And what you may not know, which he taught me in the live, is you can twist this and pop this off so that you can clean the brush without getting any product wet. The next founder did not birth me, but I call her mother, and I think we all do. There she is! Here I am! She needs no introduction, but if you don't know who she is, you guys, mother Pat McGrath is on. This is Pat McGrath. This is the Skin Fetish Divine Blush. All her products are really artistry based, and you can basically do anything with them. The thing I love about this, if you read it on the back, it says blush without caution. And what that means is basically she's created these products to blush how you want to. If you're someone who likes to apply your blush more lightly like me, you can do that. Or you can really intensify it and keep building it. The moment I knew that I made it in my career was when I was able to interview Lady Gaga. I call her Stephanie because we're on a first name basis now.
I couldn't have become who I am today without having access to not only a range of colors, but the ability to express myself and be inspired.
And she created a brand that really wanted to celebrate the colors of the rainbow and the colorful life she's lived. So you could wear these alone. Because it's an artistry-driven brand, you can also mix them, which is what I'm gonna do right here with my little palette that's tucked back here. And we're gonna take some of this fuchsia, and I love a pink. It's very OB, which stands for on brand for me. And then I'm gonna take some of this white. You can see it's a little bit of that pink, that fuchsia, and that white. And I'm just gonna do this with my finger. And it's just gonna blend really beautifully. And this is literally probably my favorite shade of pink. Like how pretty that is. So what's great about being able to mix these pigments is you can create colors that you might not even be able to find. One of the biggest full circle moments of not just my career, but my life was interviewing J-Lo. I know her as Jen now because we're on a first name basis. Congratulations on everything.
Thank you.
You looked gorgeous.
You know, people grow along with you and they watch you. They watch you fall down. They go, what's she doing? This is going to end badly. And then they start going, okay, well, she's not giving up. Maybe I shouldn't either. I went through that. I went through this.
What she taught me was something that I will carry with me for the rest of my life. We all talk about the JLo glow, and to her, it's not necessarily about how you glow. It's about how you fail, how you make mistakes, how you fall down, and how you lean into adversity, and how you make it to the other side once going through all those things, and that's what makes you glow. So I'm gonna carry that with me forever. And another thing I'm going to carry with me forever is the JLo Booty Bomb. I know this is a booty bomb and I have a lack thereof. However, you can also use this not just on your booty, but all over your body. This is really gonna help to tighten your skin. So you can use this on your arms, your legs, anywhere that you need that nice and tight firming. So obviously that's only some of many founders that I've been able to interview and that have taught me so much in life, and I wish I could share them all with you. But you can watch us on Beauty Chat Room, so make sure you tune in. And if you wanna grab any of these products from these founders that I now call friends, make sure you shop the shelf below.